All of you, welcome to new chapter Olympic movement. And this is the second unit of this physical education. Now in this ancient and modern Olympics, summer and winter. Ancient Olympic, as you all know, this started in 776 BC, and the first game was held in Wooded Valley of Olympic, in Els. This gap period of Olympic is known as Olympiad, and it is played for every 4 years. And this game lasted from 776 BC to 393 AD, and this lasted for 1170 years. The winner of these games were crowned with the wreaths of a sacred leaf, olive leaf, which grew behind the temple of Zeus. Now this is and in this ancient game only the gents used to play, ladies were not allowed to play. Now modern Olympic, this was revived by Baron Pierre de Coubertin in 1875. This is his first game was started in March 24, 1896 in Athens in Greece. Due to the World War of 1 and 2, 1916, 1940 and 1944 games were not played. This is the modern Olympics. Now Winter Olympics. The Winter Olympics was started in January 25, 1924 at Chamonix in the France Alps. Due to the World War II, Winter Olympics were not held in 1940 and 44. Now next comes the objectives of Olympic symbols, flag and rings. As you can see in the flag here, the flag is not bordered by any color. It is a plain white surface, and the 5 rings are interlocked with each other in the center of the flag, and these rings color represent different continent. Like blue America represents, black represents Africa, red color represents Australia, yellow color represents Asia, and green color represents Europe. All these rings are interlocked, representing the brotherhood and cooperations in different continents. The first Olympic was first used in 1920 games in Belgium. Now the motto. As you can see, Citius, Altius and Fortius. This is the Latin word, and it is the Olympic motto, that means faster, higher, stronger respectively. This is the motto. Now let us see the Olympic oath. This Olympic oath was written by Baron Pierre de Coubertin. He is the founder of this flag and the oath also. You can read the oath. Now Olympic flame. The first flame introduced into modern Olympic in 1928 in Netherlands. Since then the flame symbolizes the light of spirit, knowledge and life. Now these are the awards given to the players, like Dronacharya Award, Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Now Dronacharya Award was introduced in 1895, and this was given to the trainers and the coaches, and the coaches gets a amount of rupees 5 lakh. Now Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna is the highest award of the country. The awardees are called up to Delhi, and they get the cash prize of rupees 7.50 lakhs. Now last Arjuna Award. This was introduced in 1961. 5 lakhs. Okay. Now this much will do. You can practice and you can learn. Sai Ram. Have a good day.